going on, everyone? Wanted to hop in here real quick and unbox a new paddle that I just got. It's been almost 5 months now since I bought a new paddle, so I thought it was time for a change, and it's kind of a drastic change in my opinion. So let's go ahead and unbox this paddle with me. So the paddle that I ended up buying is from a company called 60 Pickleball. I ended up purchasing the 60 Coral, which is an all court leaning towards power paddle, so not really necessarily an all control paddle. I did end up buying a hybrid shape, which if you know me, you know that I've always been team wide body. So this will be kind of a different change for me, but I'm excited for it because I think this paddle really matches my playing style a lot more than the Loco. I felt like the Loco, I was trying to overpower all of my opponents and kind of just bang through them, and felt like, obviously I know that's not my playing style, but with such a powerful paddle, you kind of just, it's more fun, and I'm not trying to really play what I'm good at and what I think my strengths are. So I think this paddle will really help enhance my strengths, but also not lose a drastic amount of power from the Loco. Now, obviously, I'll give you guys an update as I play more games with this paddle and compare it to the bread and butter Loco. But I'm curious what your guys' thoughts are. Do you try to find a paddle that enhances your strengths, or do you kind of do the opposite? If you lack power, do you find a power paddle that kind of helps you get more power, and vice versa? So but yeah, I'm super excited to try this Coral. I think it will really help my game, but obviously only time will tell. So definitely give you guys an update here in the next couple of weeks. But thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, peace.